Have you ever wondered how an esport professional can get a visa to the United States? Well, watch this video and I'll tell you how. Hello everybody, my name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. Recording this video from downtown San Diego at an international conference for entrepreneurs. And one question that came out is about these professions that are not very common to get visas. Like, everybody, my name is Jacob Sapochnick and I'm an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. I'm currently in a conference here in San Diego about global entrepreneurship, and among the participants, we have quite a few here that are entrepreneurs and people in the esports industry, and we're wondering how is it possible for people in that industry to obtain visas to come to the United States. Well, there's a way. Esports are considered to be a talent, and they're considered to be an art as well. So the visa that we use, and we've done it quite successfully for quite a few of these gamers or engineers in the field, or people that are involved in competition and judging in all these. Esports it's an industry that is growing every day. It's involved from gaming to competitions and betting online. It's involved almost in every aspect of life. And the people that are involved in this are actually real artists. Many of them are designers and coders and computer, and the actual people that are, and some YouTubers that are involved in explaining the gaming and have a huge following online, both on Instagram and on YouTube. Those people will qualify for the O1B visa. So they have to show that they have achieved national or international acclaim. There are 6 categories that are, we have to show 3 out of the 6 categories. Among them, for example, high salary in the past, so if they earn any prizes or consistent, they're earning high fees in this particular industry. National or international acclaim through media reports, articles in magazines, online publications that are, in those industries that are very, very big online publications that are specifically for that industry. And some of those influencers in esports that have large following, like we had a client that had more than 2 million subscribers on the YouTube channel and very, very high following on Instagram. They're actual influencers in esports. They because of what they say, games are being created, so we can show their impact on a national level. And of course, they were earning high amounts of income because of what they do. So we put together documents like the press, the prizes, the competitions that were there, their influence overall in the industry, and put this together in a package. And we mail this to the USCIS Immigration Service, and then it is up to the adjudicator to see how we met at least 3 of the 6 requirements for the O1B, and I will list them as they are in the law and notes of this video, so you can actually read them the way they are described in the law. But usually we are able to at least get 3 of the 6, and that's why the O1B visa is an amazing visa for artists in online sports, influencers, and especially talent in esports. So again, once again, if you have questions, and hopefully that kind of gave you a little bit of an understanding, because most people are really confused as to how can they come here, participate in an event, earn income, and they need to have the actual visa, because without that they can't come here as a tourist and start performing work, and it's actually a violation of the law. So O1B visa is the best one that we can recommend for esports talent and other talent in that space. Questions, just email me, jacob@h1b.biz. If you have any comments, please post them below, and don't forget to subscribe, because we have more cool videos coming your way. Thanks for watching.